How to create Binance Web3 Wallet. If you're interested in managing your crypto assets, NFTs, and interacting with decentralized apps, then you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your very own Binance Web3 wallet, step by step. To begin, head over to the App Store if you're using an iPhone or Google Play if you're on Android, and search for Binance Web3 Wallet. And simply download it. Once you've downloaded the app, simply open the app and you'll be greeted with an option to either create a new wallet or import an existing one. Since we're creating a new wallet today, simply click on create wallet. Before we move forward, you'll need to read and accept Binance's terms of services and privacy policy. Go ahead and tap agree after reviewing them. Next, you'll need to create a secure password. This password will be used to protect your wallet within the app, so make sure it's something strong and unique. After entering a password, tap on create wallet to proceed. Here comes the important part. Binance will provide you with a 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your backup key in case you forgot your password or need to recover your wallet. Write it down and store it somewhere safe, because if you lose it, you will not be able to recover your wallet. Once you've written down it, tap next to confirm your backup. To ensure you've backed it up properly, Binance will ask you to confirm your recovery phrase. Simply select the words in the correct order from the list. Once you confirmed it, tap next to continue, and congratulations, you've successfully created your Binance Web3 wallet.